Classifications of fungi. The fungal kingdom is a diverse and fascinating group of organisms, ranging from the microscopic to the towering. The presentation will explore the key classifications and the distinguishing features of the major fungal groups. Classifications is derived into flowchart, which is Huminocortina is divided into two types, which is lower tube fungi and higher tube fungi. Omycites are classified into two types, which is water molds and second is plant pathogens. Zygomycites are classified into two types, which is bread and cheese fungi and decomposers. Humicotina, lower true fungi. Unicellular structure. Lower true fungi are single-celled eukaryotic organisms, often with a distinct nucleus and the membrane-bound organelles. Second, simple reproduction. Reproduction is lower true fungi typically involves asexual spore formations or simple conjugations between compatible cells. Evolutionary ancestors. This group is considered the evolutionary pre- precursor to the more complex multicellular true fungi. Ubiquintina, higher true fungi. There is classified into three classifications. First is multicellular structure, second is specialized reproduction, third is ecological roles. Multicellular structure. Higher true fungi are characterized by the complex multicellular body plan with differentiated tissues and organs. Specialized reproduction. This group exhibits more advanced sexual reproductions, often involving the formations of specialized structure like fruiting bodies. Ecological roles. Higher true fungi play crucial roles in ecosystems, acting as decomposers, symbionts, and even pathogens. Umicides are classified into three classifications. First is water moles, distinct characteristics, and plant pathogens. Water moles. Umicides, commonly known as water moles, are a group of fungus like organisms that live in aquatic environments. Distinct characteristics. Unlike true fungi, umicides have a cell wall made of cellulose and have a diploid life cycle. Plant pathogens. Many omicides are important plant pathogens causing disease like late blight in potatoes and down in meadows. Zygomycites. It is classified into three types. First is fruit productions, second is plant pathogens, and third is decomposers. Food productions. Zygomycites play a role in the productions of certain food such as tamper and the certain cheeses. Plant pathogens. Some zygomycites are known to cause diseases in plants, particularly in crops and stored foods. Decomposers. Zygomycites are important decomposers, breaking down organic matter in soil and other environments. Sexual reproduction known. Plasmogamy. The fusion of compatible fungal cells or hyphae leading to the combinations of the cytoplasms. Karyogamy. The fusion of the nuclei from the compatible cells resulting in the formations of the diploid zygote. Meiosis, the reduction divisions of the diploid nucleus, reproduction hap- haploid spores for asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction unknown. First, uncertainty. For some fungal groups, the details of the sexual reproduction processes remain unknown or unclear. Second, ongoing research. Scientists continue to study this enigmatic fungi, hoping to uncover the secrets of the life cycles. Revolutionary significance. Understanding sexual reproductions in fungi is crucial for elucidating their revolutionary relationships and adaptations. Acomycetes, basidomycetes, and deuteromycetes. Acomycetes, known for the sac-like ascae that produce ascorospores during sexual reproduction. Basidiomycetes, characterized by the productions of spores on club-shaped structures called basidia. Deuteromycetes, an artificial group of fungi lacking known sexual stage as known as imperfect fungi.